Here's what I want to know. If I'm an originator,
right?
And I'm going to admit to the other side,
right?
Okay, give me something today that I can improve my numbers with. I don't want, rosy platitudes. I get enough of those. I want a nugget. I want practicality. Tell me, please.
All right, I'm going to share something with you that most loan officers don't understand, don't know, and don't do. I go to the bankruptcy court. At the bankruptcy court, I used to go in person. I would go in person, I would talk to the clerks there, and I'd say, I need my list. And they go, what? I said, I need my list. Public information of people in bankruptcy you can get for free from the courthouse. So I would just go to the courthouse and get my list. After a couple of times doing it, the bankruptcy clerks are like, what do you do with the list? And I said, let me share it with you. So what we did is we went to the basement of the Superior Court, and there in the basement, I'm doing a lunch and learn. And I'm explaining to them the FHA loan. Well, unbeknownst to me, in comes this gentleman in a black robe, right? And the gentleman goes to the back row, sits in that chair in the back, leans back against the wall. It's one of the judges.
Oh boy.
So when no, it was a good thing. So when I'm done, the judge goes, so I go over to talk to the judge. It was all good, right? And the judge says, that was the best explanation of giving people hope that have gone through the bankruptcy process that I've ever heard. Me, not being too slow, super quick, I went to the judge and I said, Judge, is it okay if I share this with the trustees of the court? He says, yeah. Judge, can I say that you asked me to talk to him? Yeah, go ahead. So now I have permission from the judge to talk to the trustees. Now let's put this all together. You are going to write a letter. You're going to get this list. Now before, I used to go in person. You don't have to do that now. Using Pacer, P-A-C-E-R. It's all electronic. You can get all of this information for free at home. It's public information. So you're looking for someone in Chapter 13 bankruptcy, right, that have made their payments on time as agreed for at least 12 months. So I'm looking for someone that may have gone through the bankruptcy process for at least 2 years. Remember, Chapter 13, they're going to pay it back over a 3 to a 5 year term. If you get them at 2 years, you're probably going to have a 12-month window. Now, what has happened over the last few years? Equity. They've got equity. Yes. And so if they have equity, what you're going to do in a letter is you're going to say, hey, I can probably, don't know, but I can probably get you out of bankruptcy, consolidate all your debts, which is why you went into bankruptcy in the first place. However, we need your trustee's approval. So what was happening is they would take in my letter to the trustee. And as they're going in with this letter, hey, trustee, I have this letter, right? The trustee went, who signed the bottom of it? And they go, it's this Dave Luna. And they go, he can do it. And that, guys, you want to add another 10, 20, 30 loans per month into your pipeline on someone that doesn't need to go find a property. And the next question you guys are thinking, oh my goodness, Dave, interest rates have gone up. People, remember, they've been in bankruptcy while interest rates are going up. You're probably going to refi them at the exact same interest rate they had when they got into bankruptcy. So when you say, yeah, we can do it at 5.5, 6, 6.25, whatever the number is, right? Their interest rate didn't change. And when in the future rates get better, you have another loan where you're going to refi them down to a lower interest rate. Folks aren't doing this right now.
Wow.
It's not dependent on rate. It's not dependent on inventory. It's not dependent on a whole lot of stuff. And these people, no one are talking to because they think, oh my goodness, I'm in bankruptcy. I'm toxic. Nobody wants to talk to me. And during Refi Mania, did anybody talk to these people? Answer, no. You wanted a nugget? How about a gold one?
I love it. Outstanding. That is beautiful. All right. I'm fired up. Thank you so much. It's
You're welcome.
It
You're welcome.
is
Thank you,
much
man.
better doing the course in person than having it on my laptop during my Christmas break, ruining my snow
You mean
trip.
from Christmas to New Year's Eve,
Yes.
you're doing your CE?
Usually I'm sitting there.
Yeah, don't wait till the last
I'm
minute.
sitting there cursing you, but now I'm loving you. See you later at a trade show near you.